Hello, and welcome back to English Unlocked, the podcast that helps you slowly, calmly, and clearly improve your English step by step. My name is Florian, and today we are going to talk about a very important topic, a topic that many English learners face when they travel: the airport. Yes, the airport. For many people, the airport can feel confusing. There are signs, announcements, questions, and many English phrases you need to understand. So today, in this long, relaxing episode, I'm going to help you understand airport vocabulary, useful sentences, real conversations, listening practice, repeat after me speaking exercises, and simple tips to travel confidently in English. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's unlock airport English together. Let's begin with the most important words you will hear in every airport. I will say the word, then explain it. Then you will repeat it after me. Let's start. 1. Airport. An airport is the place where planes take off and land. Repeat after me. Airport. Again. Airport. 2. Terminal. A terminal is a big building inside the airport. Repeat. Terminal. Again. Terminal. 3. Check-in. Check-in is where you give your passport and get your boarding pass. Repeat. Check-in. Again. Check-in. 4. Boarding pass. This is the paper or digital ticket that allows you to enter the plane. Repeat. Boarding pass. 5. Passport. Your travel document. Repeat. Passport. 6. Security check, where you and your bags are checked for safety. Repeat. Security check. 7. Gate. The place where you wait before getting on the plane. Repeat. Gate. 8. Departure. When your plane leaves. Repeat. Departure. 9. Arrival. When your plane lands. Repeat. Arrival. 10. Baggage claim. The place where you pick up your suitcase after your flight. Repeat. Baggage claim. Now, let's learn more vocabulary. This time, I'll give you a longer list, but I will still go slowly. Pause slightly between words. Luggage. Suitcase. Boarding. Flight number. Airport staff. Pilot. Cabin crew. Customs. Immigration. Visa. Seatbelt. Aisle. Window seat. Carry-on bag. Metal detector. If you need to listen again,
Feel free to replay this section anytime.
Now, let's learn the most common sentences you will hear at the airport. I will speak slowly. After each phrase, please repeat. Let's begin. At check-in. May I see your passport? Repeat. Do you have any luggage? Repeat. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat? Repeat. Your gate is number 24. Repeat. Boarding starts at 5:30. Repeat. At security. Please put your bag on the belt. Repeat. Take off your shoes, please. Repeat. Remove your laptop from your bag. Repeat. Step forward. Repeat. Thank you. Repeat. At the gate. We are now boarding. Repeat. Please have your passport ready. Repeat. Group A may board now. Repeat. Your flight is delayed. Repeat. Your flight is now ready for boarding. Repeat. On the plane. Welcome aboard. Repeat. Please fasten your seatbelt. Repeat. Would you like something to drink? Repeat. Please remain seated. Repeat. Thank you for flying with us. Repeat. Take your time and practice these as many times as you need. Let's practice a real conversation. I will play both parts. I will speak slowly, and then you will repeat. Check-in conversation. Staff. Good morning. May I see your passport? Traveler. Yes, here it is. Staff. Are you checking any bags today? Traveler. Yes, one suitcase. Staff. Great. Do you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat? Traveler. A window seat, please. Staff. Perfect. Your gate is B12. Boarding starts at 4:45. Traveler. Thank you. Security check conversation. Security. Please place your bag on the belt. Traveler. Okay. Officer. Please remove your laptop. Traveler. Sure. At the gate. Gate agent. We are now boarding flight 227 to London. Traveler. Thank you. Practice this conversation again and again. The more you repeat, the more confident you will feel. Now, I want you to close your eyes
Take a deep breath and imagine yourself at the airport. This is a listening and visualization exercise to help you understand airport English more naturally. Let's begin. You arrive at the airport. You walk inside. You hear the sound of rolling suitcases, people talking, announcements in English. Flight 318 is now boarding. You pull your suitcase. You walk to the check-in counter. You hear, "Next, please." You give your passport. You receive your boarding pass. You smile. You go to security. You take off your shoes. You place your bag on the belt. The officer says, "Thank you." You walk to your gate. You sit down. You hear, "We will begin boarding soon." You feel calm. You feel ready. You understand the English around you. This is the goal of today's episode, to help you feel confident, relaxed, and prepared.
Now, repeat after me. I will leave a long pause. Speak slowly, clearly, confidently. I am at the airport. I am checking in. Here is my passport. My flight is on time. My gate is number 18. I understand airport English. I feel confident when I travel. I can speak English at the airport. I am improving every day. My English is getting better. Excellent. Here are some simple tips to help you travel easily in English. 1. Always arrive early. Airports are busy. Give yourself time. 2. Keep your passport and boarding pass in your hand. 3. Read the signs. Airports use simple English. 4. Listen to announcements. They usually repeat the same information. 5. Ask for help. You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Or, "Where is gate 22? 6. Stay calm. Everyone at the airport is there to help you. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Keep practicing, and you'll become confident in your English communication abilities.
You did an amazing job today. Learning airport English for beginners is not always easy, but you stayed with me. You listened, you repeated, you practiced, and every minute you spend listening, you are improving your English communication skills. Thank you for joining me today on English Unlocked. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to listen again, to repeat the phrases, and to practice at your own pace. I'm Florian, and I'm proud of the progress you're making. I will see you in the next lesson. Until then, take care and keep unlocking your English. Goodbye and safe travels.